Yeah, I mean, we do like to do different films. I think हमने क्या 14 films we've done as Phantom till now in last 3 years, and I think that's what excites us. And till the time we're not nervous about the film we're making, I don't think we're excited about making it either.
फैंटम बहुत डिफरेंट तरह की फिल्म ला रहा है और इस तरह की फिल्म बनाने के लिए बहुत गट्स चाहिए। तो ये फिल्म करते समय आपने फिल्म भी जब उन्होंने पूरी शूट कर ली, पूरी बना ली, तब आपने देखी थी। जब नहीं बनी थी उस स्टेज पे कहीं आपको ऐसा लगा था कि उसको कुछ फ्लैशबैक में दिखाएंगे कि वो अपने गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ है नॉल, उस तरह का कुछ कमर्शियल एंगल डाल दें? जब मैंने नहीं देखी थी तो मैं जाके उड़ान देख लेता था।
But yeah, I mean, we do like to do different films. I think हमने क्या 14 films we've done as Phantom till now in last 3 years, and I think that's what excites us. And till the time we're not nervous about the film we're making, I don't think we're excited about making it either. So nervousness and excitement हम दोनों हमारे लिए एक साथ जाता है। और जब भी हम में से कोई भी फिल्म बनाने के लिए जाता है, I think we all know pretty much what that person is going out there to make. And now all that person needs is his team to be behind him, to support him, and show the guts and glory, the same guts and glory that he's showing when he's going there and shooting. And I think Vikram is the finest we have. So I'm glad he shares the script with me, but if he doesn't, I'll still make his film.
ये फिल्म का लोकेशन किस तरह से आप लोगों ने ढूंढा? कहाँ है ये? बॉम्बे का ही है ना?
प्रभादेवी में।
प्रभादेवी।
हाय विकास, ये पोस्टर पे टैग लाइन लिखा आपने, फ्रीडम लाइज बियॉन्ड फियर, ये क्या है? इसके बारे में बताएंगे?
डर के आगे जीत है।
नहीं मतलब खुल कर बताएं। इस फिल्म से रिलेटेड?
फिजी फिल्म से बिल्कुल रिलेटेड है।
The Reliance producer, I wanted to ask you, how stringent is the budget?
एक्टर को तो गाजर देनी पड़ी। आपको पता है आजकल सबसे बड़ा खर्चा होता है एक्टर के वैनिटी वैन, क्रू और उनके खाने पे। तो अब ये गाजर खाया, वेयर फाइन।
नहीं, कुडोस टू राजकुमार। अभी हम लोग आ रहे थे तो लिफ्ट नहीं चालू थी, तो सिक्योरिटी बोला अरे राजकुमार अगर सलमान होता ना तो भड़क जाता। जस्ट नो ही टोल्ड अस।
हम सब चुप हैं। आप भड़के नहीं?
एनीथिंग एल्स?
विकास आपके सामने।
Yeah, you didn't answer. Reliance.
शिवाजी, बजटिंग के बारे में प्लीज मैडम जानना चाह रही हैं।
I don't think it's fair to talk about the budget, but they're one of the most efficient production house. So, and I'm sure that the film will release on Friday, at least on Thursday. The film will be in a decent, profitable situation.
And the director was the producer's man?
The director is always the producer's man.
विकास आपके सामने है अमित फ्रॉम दैनिक जागरण। विकास, ये फैंटम ने कितना मतलब लीप हासिल किया है और अब जो है इस तरह की फिल्मों के लिए फंडिंग कितनी आसान हो गई है, या आज भी उसी किस्म के चैलेंजेस फील करने पड़ते हैं?
ऐसी फिल्मों की फंडिंग कभी आसान नहीं होती है और होनी भी नहीं चाहिए, बिकॉज यू शुड गो आउट देयर एंड कन्विंस पीपल दैट यू कैन पुल ऑफ फिल्म्स लाइक दीज, एंड आई थिंक वी लव द चैलेंज। देयर आर डेज ऑफ फ्रस्ट्रेशन जब हमें लगता है कि यार क्यों पैसा नहीं मिल रहा है, but I think it just pushes us to do bigger stuff, better stuff, and constantly prove that this cinema works. And I think that battle is there, it'll stay, and it's an interesting battle to have.
विक्रम, आपने सोचा कि इस पूरी फिल्म को सिंगल टेक में मतलब शूट किया जाए ताकि विजुअल इमोशन होल्ड रहे?
सिंगल टेक तो होती नहीं क्योंकि मतलब दिनों की कहानी है ना, so how do you hold a single take over multiple days? मतलब it's a great idea, but इस फिल्म में I don't think it was possible.
और एक सवाल मतलब इस कॉन्टेक्स्ट से हट के था कि आप लोग कितना फील करते हैं कि ग्लैमर इंडस्ट्री में फीमेल एम्पावरमेंट हुआ है स्टोरी के लेवल पे, जॉब्स के लेवल पे और डिसीजन मेकिंग के मतलब लेवल पे?
क्या हो गया विमेन एम्पावरमेंट को? सॉरी
जी हाँ।
ओह मैं इस पे बोल बोल के थक गया हूँ। अब विक्रम की बारी।
हाँ मतलब क्वीन के डायरेक्टर यहाँ बैठे,
क्वीन बना दिया यार उन्होंने पूरी की पूरी। मतलब
नहीं, स्टोरी के अलावा जॉब्स मतलब है उनके लिए कितने ज्यादा वो कर रहे हैं? या
फैंटम में बस लड़कियां काम करते हैं, हम लोग कोई काम ही नहीं करते। ये तो सबको पता है. In all honesty, I think it's definitely improving. If you look at the kind of films that Priyanka is doing, that Deepika is doing, that Katrina is doing, they're doing fantastic films. They're leading them from the front, I think, and people are very, very wanting to go see these films. And even within the industry, you've got studio heads who are women, and there's nothing. They're very, very good and very efficient people. So I'm saying, ho raha hai. I mean, yes, can it be better? It can always be better, but I think we're working towards it now.
राज आप
Sorry.
राजकुमार आपकी प्रतिक्रिया जानना चाहेंगे.
मेरी प्रतिक्रिया आई थिंक मेरी प्रतिक्रिया भी सेम है. जो उन्होंने कहा कि जरूर ऑफ कोर्स हम सब देख रहे हैं और आई थिंक मुझे तो लगता है कि वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट ये वर्ड जो है इसकी जरूरत ही नहीं होनी चाहिए हमें. आई थिंक इट शुड बी इक्वालिटी. हम लोग ये क्यों ऐसा करते हैं कि उनको पावर की जरूरत है. आई थिंक दे आर मच मोर स्ट्रॉन्गर देन अस यार. रियली वी हैव कम फ्रॉम देम मैन.
If you come to our office, I think we need to curtail it. They're all our bosses. We're all reporting to them.
All right, who's next?
Here's one. Look at this boss. Vikramaditya's boss has anyone met? Sitting right here.
Hi, Rajkumar, Justin here towards your left.
Hi, Justin.
Yeah, hi. Rajkumar, is trapped in a way a metaphor for you of being trapped in an image of being the poster boy for indie cinema and wanting to break free?
Honestly, we haven't thought that much about when we were making it, about the film. No,
but
I don't know if I'm the poster boy for indie cinema. Like I think that bridge is also, this the line is thinning now. There's not much of difference now between an indie cinema. If you put 4 songs in it and one item song, it will become a commercial film. So I think that's the only difference. But I think a film is a film. Either it's a good film or a bad film. I really don't differentiate between I'm doing an indie film or now I'm doing a commercial film. For me, it's a story which matters. The makers, who matters.
Right. So, but I'm assuming playing a character like this would have also been mentally taxing, apart from, surviving on coffee and carrots.
Absolutely. It was physically and mentally exhausting for me to live in that space for almost 18-20 days and to eat nothing. Trust me, it's scary to hell. If I just ask you to not eat for 2 days, you feel so frustrated, you feel so angry on everything. There were times when there were blackouts. I used to get up and I had to sit down back, sit again for a moment. But I think that's the fun of being an actor. You don't get such films in your career, and I feel very lucky that I get to play such parts and get to work with these fantastic filmmakers. So I think I'm very happy that I get to play such parts, and the only point of being an actor is if you can challenge yourself. If you keep doing the same thing again and again, it's very monotonous. It's very boring. I think go do something else. Then you can't be in a creative job.
राजकुमार, हेलो सर. सर मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि ये कैरेक्टर प्ले करते वक्त क्या आप इम्पल्सिव हो गए थे क्या?
Impulsive हो गए थे? Like in what sense?
While playing this character.
Impulsive as in we were living in the moment. तो उस moment पे जो impulse हमें आ रहा था, we were trying to capture that. हम लोग कुछ plan नहीं कर रहे थे कि इसको ऐसे करते हैं या यहाँ से A to B point पे जाएंगे और फिर बैठ जाएंगे और फिर खड़े होके वहाँ जाएंगे. I think it was the way we were shooting it, as we have earlier said, it was quite linear. And I think, and then he gave us that freedom, I think to me and to our DOP and sound guy, everyone, he gave us that freedom just to explore it on set.
और एक और मेरा सवाल है, हाल ही में मलयालम एक्ट्रेस मोलेस्टेड हुआ था मूविंग कार में, तो आप कैसे देखते हैं इस घटना को? और
I'm really sorry, I've just gotten back from Berlin, so I don't know much in detail about that, so I don't think so I can comment on that.
If you want to comment. So आपसे जानना चाहूँगा मैं कि इस तरह की घटना हो जाती है and
Let's talk about that another time. Let's talk about that's a very वो बहुत ही गहराई में उतर के बात करनी पड़ेगी उसके बारे में. Let's talk about that another time.
I don't think we should use these forums to discuss issues like these. Honestly.
इतना trivially उसके बारे में बात नहीं की जा सकती है. उसके बारे में आराम से.
आपने सवाल पूछा उसका जवाब दिया उसके बाद चलो वापस मजाक करते हैं और ट्रैप के बारे. It's just too serious to discuss in these forums.
Hi, Rajkumar.
Hi, where?
This is Priyanka. Hi, from
Hi.
Indian Express. My question is, from the previous question that you were answering about being the poster boy of indie cinema, does the sellability of an actor, do these thoughts come to your mind? I mean, we always have difference between stars and actors. And you have a lot of films coming up and people, look forward to watching your films. But how sellable are you at the box office? Do these thoughts come to your mind and do they bother you?
No, because that's something which is not in my control and I can't help it. So there's no point thinking about it and feeling sad or happy about it. My only job is to act and to play that truthfully, honestly. Apart from that, there are things I can't control. Nobody would have thought, like we didn't know that Queen would make that much of money, but it did. Nobody thought Tanu Bets Manu would make that much of money, but it did. So I think it's something. Also, being a star is it's accidental actually. You can be a star with one film, but then what about your next 10 films? So my job is to just be constant and to keep to be honest towards my craft, which I try. Rest, I think there are a lot of things which I think being a star is a byproduct of your work, which will happen. I hope we have a star actor. You're saying there are stars and there are actors. I hope soon we have.
Raj, you are our star.
See, here's your answer.
He's our moon and star
and sun. Yeah.